Jason with AllChecked. We're here on an investment property in the Meadows in Indianapolis. Wanted to just kind of show you a little bit about what we're finding on this property. So this has a mid-efficiency gas-fired furnace installed as the heating system in the property. And I haven't opened it up. I have not done an operational check on it, just taking a surface evaluation of it right now. And so we already see some issues. One, this is restricted access. These are our homeowner access panels right here, how I would gain entry into this unit. As you can see, we have a large 50-gallon water heater blocking access to it. That is going to hinder the homeowners and any service technicians that come over to service the unit. It's going to hinder their ability to do what they need to do. It really shouldn't have been installed this way. I understand that there are times that we are limited on space, but this is something that is going to cause an issue in the future. We also take a look at our flue coming in. I'm not going to grab onto that because it is a little warm, but we should not see this much tape on this. This tells me that we are not using the proper fasteners on this flue. This can cause problems with CO gas possibly leaking out of the flue during operation, and so we're going to document this as an amateur installation. Also, don't want to see open filter chambers. This is going to allow escaping CO gas or natural gas that escapes from the unit through normal operation to possibly be sucked back in here. This is our return before air is flowing down here through the filter back into the system to be either heated or cooled. This is sucking. This is sucking air in, and so if I start leaking gas here or I start getting CO gas coming out from here, then it's going to be pulled back in, and then this is in turn going to distribute this throughout the property, and you're going to end up breathing it. We don't want that, right? CO gas is very toxic. It's a very bad gas for us to be breathing. It is odorless. It is tasteless. We don't know it's there. It mixes very readily with air, with natural air inside the home. And so it's kind of known as the silent killer, and that's what we don't want to distribute throughout the property. We do have some exposed Romex on here. Don't like to see that. I could move something into this room and hit this and do damage to it. That's going to open up this electric, and then if this starts leaking gas, this could arc. Gas here, we have a fire, bad idea. So we want to make sure that we're just on the surface taking a look at this, that we get some of this stuff taken care of. I also see that they've installed the filter upside down, so that's obviously going to be limit the functionality of that filter. And I'm not going to turn this back around the right way, right? Because this has got a bunch of dust on it. I don't want to suck that dust off of it, because then we come and that A coil acts as a really good filter in and of itself, and all that stuff's going to collect on it, and it's going to impact the way that the unit conditions. So we want to make sure that if it is like this, I've replaced them in the past, but I'm always going to put this back in the way that it is because I don't want that to happen.
Go.
This is Jason from AllChecked, and we'll see you next time.